Look at it. It's glistening and it's tender, juicy. I have 2 chicken breasts here. I am going to salt and pepper both sides, and then I'm going to let them sit at room temperature until they are no longer cold before we pan fry them. So I'm going to heat some olive oil in this pan. Let it get nice and hot. Notice that I didn't put a ton of oil in here. I just kind of coated the bottom, okay? I'm going to place the chicken breasts in here. And I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high. And we're not going to touch this for about 5-6 minutes. Resist the temptation of pulling it over and flipping. Just don't touch it, okay? I'm going to say about 6 minutes went by. I can separate these easily from the pan, which means they are nicely, seared. See, they're very beautiful. Look at them. All right. I'm going to add some butter to this. Match. I'm going to add 2 peeled smashed garlic cloves and a piece of rosemary. This is going to take another 6-7 minutes to be ready. We're going to get some of the melted butter and baste our breast. We're going to flip this one more time. We need this chicken breast to be registering 165 Fahrenheit, which is 74 centigrade. That's ready. So I'm just going to remove them. We're going to let these rest for 5 minutes before we cut them, guys. I am going to cut these against the grain, not with the grain, okay? So, just gonna slice it like that. Oh boy. That is perfectly cooked. Very juicy. Check out how glistening it is in the inside. So this took about, I'm going to say 13 minutes in total, 13-14 minutes. So check it out. Doesn't that look great? Please don't eat raw chicken. It will make you sick. So if yours takes a little longer, it doesn't matter. Just make sure it's cooked. Don't overcook it because it'll get dry. But just if you have a thermometer, that's the best way.